Hey guys, Todd here. Today we are going to unbox our new suspension system for our 2018 Ford F-150 build. Now this is the Stage 5 suspension system from Icon Vehicle Dynamics with the billet upper control arms. Now this is a 3-part kit, comes in 3 boxes. First thing I'm going to do is tear into those billet upper control arms and see what's inside that box. All right. So getting this pulled open, I like the fact that everything is kind of concealed inside there. These parts are not just functional, they're also aesthetic. So I want to make sure they're not bumping around and hitting each other. Let's set that to the side. Looks like, yeah, both of them already have the delta joints already installed. The heims are all ready to be adjusted. Hey guys, it comes with stickers. I know you guys love your stickers. There you go. And nothing else in that, so I'm going to set that to the side. All right, and we've got our instructions. Actually, keep those instructions. They're very helpful. We've got some new hardware. This is our dust caps. It goes on top. We've got some thread lock that's in there as well. And this is all ready to go. So I'm going to set this to the side over here. Go to our next box and see what else we've got. This is our front coilovers. There we go. Again, very well packaged. I like that. More instructions, more stickers. All right, we got some hardware. This looks like it's probably bracketry for setting up our coilovers, or our reservoirs, rather. Here's some hose clamp or band clamps. This is going to be our hardware for attaching it to our lower control arm. New hardware for attaching it to the upper control arm. Not the upper control arm. We're attaching it to the frame bucket at the top. We're not like the factory where factory has some studs coming out the top. This doesn't have studs coming out the top. We actually run the bolts down from the frame bucket into the coilover. Yeah, they're doing a great job of packaging this. I definitely don't want this nice looking stuff to be banging against itself in transit. So I really appreciate that. And they do label driver and passenger side. These are heavy components, guys. All right, this is our passenger side. Also with the reservoir, this is an adjustable reservoir, so we got the adjustment knob here. Let me see if there's anything else in here before I toss it to the side. Doesn't look like it. I can get rid of that box. All right. And there's our front coilovers. Let me get the next box. This is a rear coilovers. Rear coilovers. Oh, not coilover. Excuse me. This is just a rear shock with reservoir. here we've got an envelope. I'm going to open this up in a moment. This is great. All right, so they've got this foam in here. It keeps everything completely isolated away from itself, again, so that it doesn't contact itself in transit. Because we all know that people that deliver stuff aren't always the most careful. So I appreciate them doing this for us. All right, let's set that right here. Okay, and we've got our ride adjustments on our reservoirs here as well. Let me see what's inside this package here. All right, we've got the instructions for the rear, more stickers. And this right here is going to be your e-brake bracket, because we are going to move that a little bit. So here we go. This is what's in the box. Let me grab those instructions for our upper control arms. Well, that's what's in the box. If you want to know more about these products, I invite you to check out our Fast Facts video. If you want to see how it's installed, we're going to have a video for that as well. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel to stay up to date with this build and other future builds. And if you like what you see here and you can't live without it, make sure you click the link in the description below, add it to the cart, and it can be on its way to you. As always, if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.